country. Halimbawa nito ay ang kalidad ng edukasyon, ang patuloy na pagtaas ng presyo ng mga bilihin kasama na ng pagkain, at ang isyu ng terorismo, kriminalidad, kawalan ng katiyakan ng ating seguridad at kapayapaan. As a Mindanaoan, I am a witness to how violence spawned poverty, lack of livelihood, internal displacement, and inequitable access to education opportunities for our children and the youth, which ultimately made the violence of radicalism more appealing to them. Nitong nakaraan lang ay nasaksihan natin ang pagdadalamhati ng naulilang pamilya ni Corporal Crizalde Espartero, Private First Class Carl Aranya, Private Jesse James Corpus, at Private Marvin Dumaging. The death of 4 soldiers in an ambush in Maguindanao del Sur points us to the painful truth that terrorism remains a fundamental problem that requires our collective action as a nation.